In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend images in Canva. Whether you're looking to create seamless transitions between images or add a unique flair to your designs, image blending is a fantastic tool to have in your creative toolbox. So let's dive in and see how you can easily achieve this using Canva. First things first, head over to Canva's website by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. Once you're on the site, if you haven't already logged in, you'll want to click on the Login button. This will take you to the Sign In page where you can access your account. If you typically log in with Google, click on Continue with Google and then select your Google account from the list. You'll want to click on Continue to proceed. Now that you're in, open the project where you want to blend images. Within your project, select the image you want to work with. This is an important step because blending will be applied to the image you choose here. Next, look for the Apps icon. This is usually found in the left-hand sidebar. Once you've clicked on it, type Image Blender into the search bar. You'll see the Image Blender app come up in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to activate the tool. Select the Image Blender app to start blending. Here you'll be presented with a few options for how you can blend your images. You'll notice 3 different blending modes: linear, radial, and brush. For this demonstration, we're going to proceed with the linear option. Each mode offers a distinct blending technique, so feel free to experiment with them until you find what suits your project's needs. After selecting linear, you'll see a guideline appear on your image. This line indicates the direction of the blend. Adjust its angle and position as needed by clicking and dragging it. The aim is to move the guideline to create the direction and amount of blur that you want for your image. Continue adjusting the guideline until you achieve the desired blending effect. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button and click on it. Canva will apply the blend and save your project with the newly blended image. And there you have it. You've successfully blended an image in Canva. Now you can see the results and explore more creative possibilities with your design. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try blending different images and use various modes to fully harness this tool's potential. Thank you for watching and happy designing.